Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have a new bad boy in the house, and I was thinking that maybe I can do a quick unboxing, and also I would like to compare it with my existing 13 Pro Max, like from aesthetic perspective, from form factor perspective, how does it look like? And also once I have configured this new iPhone 14 Pro Max, I will also share some initial feedbacks, like how is it different from my existing 13 Pro Max. So having said that, I will keep my 13 Pro Max side for now. So let me put it this way, and we will do the unboxing. So I already took out the pull tabs, so we will just take it off like this. All right, let's keep it side. So this is the phone we have here. So as we all know, nothing has changed from 13 Pro Max, even I would say from the 12 Pro Max. So we have just a USB-C to Lightning connector, and then we have some paperwork. Probably we have one SIM ejector tool. So people who are watching from USA or Canada, probably they do not have this thing because they do not have the SIM card slot. But here in Europe, we still have this SIM ejector tool in the box. Okay, so I will just put this inside, and then we have one Apple sticker as always. So we will just try to push it back and put it here. So we'll keep the box aside, and we will just peel off this screen protector. So here it says 1 Apple Parkway, Cupertino. This is the address of the Apple headquarters, and we took out this screen protector. So from the color perspective, so I chose this purple color, which actually looks pretty nice. It doesn't look like, how can I say, very girlish purple, because it is having a tinge of purple whenever you put it at a certain angle. Usually if somebody will look at it, it looks like a dark gray or dark, I would say, purple kind of shade. On the side as well, this frame is stainless steel, and it is already kind of, you can see, attracting the fingerprints like the previous generation of iPhones. The interesting thing is that this frame as well is having the purple color. So like for example, in my 13 Pro Max here, we do not, like, this is my silver color. I really love this color, and you can see that we do not have any color. It's like stainless steel, yeah. And in this one we have some kind of color here as well. So okay, bottom is the same. We have the Lightning C. Probably the next generation of iPhone will have USB-C, so can't wait for that. And then on the left side we have here the SIM tray, we have the volume rockers, and then we have here the silent button, and on the right side we have just one power on off button. And then on the back we have a camera bump. The camera bump, initial impression, it looks even bigger than the 13 Pro Max, but we will talk about it later in few seconds once I have configured this iPhone. So let's start the configuration process. So I'm turning this bad boy on.